Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're doing well. I hope things are going your way, and if they're not, then things can change at any time, because the world is a crazy, magical place. Well, I want to thank you so much for being with me here today. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it. Today, we're going to do a blast from the past and do a look with the Decay Ultraviolet palette. And when I tried this palette, I love this color story. It is so beautiful. And I haven't used it in a while. And I'm going to see if I want to keep it or declutter it. And by the end of the video, I will let you know if it's going to stay. Should I stay or should I go now? Should I stay or should I go now? If I stay, there will be trouble. And if I leave, it will be double. You like the Clash? I love the Clash. I'm an old punk rock girl. So let's see. We've got a great color here for a crease. It's called Hacked. Oh, that is pigmented. She is doing her job today. That is beautiful. I remember this. I haven't used this palette in a really long time. And this color is the perfect transition color. It is so beautiful. And I'm loving it. This palette might be worth it just for this one color. Because that is beautiful. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it a lot. I love it a lot. We're having here identity problem today, but that's all right. It's a beautiful day. The sun is out. The temperature is going to be in the 70s. All I have to do is look cute and stay home. Let's see. I'm going to go in with a light color called Optimized. It's a matte lavender. Put that on the lid and on the outside corner. That is very pretty. It blends in so well with that. And it's not a domineering color. It's very staying in its own lane, but it's adding some color, and that's what I'm down with today. I'm going to go in now with Euphoric. This purple dust here, look at that. That is just gorgeous. Let's do it. Let's get in here with some Euphoric. It's kind of a satin. You can see it on the brush. Kind of do layers of purple. That's pretty. And what a great name. Who doesn't like something to be euphoric? The last thing I had that was euphoric was none of your business. No. I know, I'm still missing the tooth. We're working on it at the dentist office. I go to a dental school, and so it takes a while to get everything done. We had to put a crown on. I got a temporary crown right there, and that's going to be the anchor of my partial. So I appreciate you bearing with me while I am in the midst of dental work. I really appreciate that. You guys have not abandoned me because I'm missing a tooth or so. I'm going to go into Purple Dust now. It's got a little shimmer to it. Add some depth. That's pretty. It's adding just depth, and it's got kind of a shift to it. I'm going to go back on the lid with Euphoric. It's got a little shine to it. That's showing up nice. Just building the color on it. I'm adding that euphoric up top also. It's looking super cool. And I'm going to go into Lucid with my finger. And it's kind of a shifty color. I'm blending it into Euphoria. Ooh, it's kind of an icy pale green. That's super pretty. Now I'm going to get a blending brush and smooth it all out. And I feel so glamorous and pretty. So I'm going to do some eyeliner now with my Stay All Day in black, and it's a double-ended liner. It always pulls my eye look together. So pretty. It's always so hard to talk and do eyeliner. Super cute. And now I'm going to use the Lancome Hypnose Drama mascara. To add some drama to these little lashes. My lashes never have been the same since I did the eyelash extensions. I love the extensions, but they hurt my lashes so much. Oh, that's nice and dramatic. I love this mascara. It is super black, and it does a great job of defining even the smallest lashes. I'm going to go with a nude lipstick, which will be Super Matte Stay Ink from Maybelline in 65, which is Seductress. I feel super pretty and ready to go, and I think I'm going to keep this palette, so it's going to stay because it is such a great purple palette and I look so pretty and I love it. So I want to thank you so much for being with me here today. So this is going to stay instead of go. Have a great day or day of your choice. We'll see you real soon.